Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Now let's go through a small section which is nothing but invoicing preferences. They are not that important as such. We don't change much. Depending on all these features, you can see that the preview will change accordingly. And this is invoicing is generally for the project related stuff. For example, if I check this checkbox, show be labeled subtotals on invoices. If I check this checkbox here, you can see that for each and every project, you can see that there is a subtotal defined. This is how the invoice will look like. Similarly, group B labeled type on invoices. In case if you want to group B labeled items accordingly, we can do that. These are some of the invoicing preferences that are available. We don't change much. These are mostly dependent on the project related invoicing. Similarly, if we go through some other inventory management related preferences, I can come here and I can change the inventory management related preferences. These are mostly not used or not changed much. They have just come recently. They are not that important as such. What should be the default safety stock? What should be the preferred stock level? That can be defined here. These can be defined on the items itself. We don't generally use this. We generally define it on the item itself. But in case if you want to go through this stuff, just go through it and you can get back to me in case if you have any queries. Tomorrow, we'll start off with the customization. Is that fine? That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.